Hello, this is Mr. Ahmed, and today we'll do chapter 2, lesson 2.1, multiplication comparisons. And our essential question is, how can you model multiplication comparisons? Okay, you can use multiplication to compare amounts. For example, you can think of 15 equals 3 times 5 as a comparison in two ways. You can say 15 is 3 times as many as 5. So if you have 1 5, the 15 is 3 of these 5. So 5 and 5 and 5. So 15 is 3 times as many as 5. Or you can think of it as 15 is 5 times as many as 3. So here we have the 3. And then we will have 5 of that 3. So 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. So 15 is 3. So 15 is 5 times as many as 3. Okay, so let's unlock the problem. Carly has 9 pennies. Jack has 4 times as many pennies as Carly. How many pennies does Jack have? Okay, so here's the question. What do you need to compare? We need to compare Carl's pennies to Jack's pennies. So it's Carly's pennies to Jack's pennies. Okay, so here draw a model and write an equation to solve. So Carly has only 9. Jack has 4 times as many as Carly. So here in the model, Carly has 9 pennies and Jack has 4 times. It's like you draw 4 of what Carly has. So he has 9 and 9 and 9 and 9. Okay, here we can say that how many pennies Jack has is n pennies. We don't know until now, so it's n pennies. N is the amount that Jack has. Okay, so here use the model to write an equation and solve. Okay, so an equation means you have two sides and between them equal sign. So n is what Jack has equals 4 times as many as Carly. Carly has 9. So n equals 4 times 9. This is our equation. Okay, so 4 times 9 is 36. So n equals 36. We said that n is what Jack has. So the value of n is 36. So Jack has 36 pennies. Okay, so again what we did here, we said that Carly has only 9 and Jack has 4 times as Carly. So he has 4 9s. So 9, 9, 9, and 9. And we said that what Jack has, we call it n. N is the missing number. So we said that n equals, n is what Jack has. So n equals 4 times what Carly has. So n equals 4 times the 9 is what Carly has. So 4 times 9 is 36. Okay, here explain how the equation 4 is 2 more than 2 is different from the equation for 4 is 2 times as many as 2. Okay, so the first one is 4 is 2 more than 2, and the other one is 4 is 2 times as many as 2. Okay, so we can say that 4 is 2 more than 2. This is additive comparison. So the equation is 4 equals 2 plus 2. And 4 is 2 times as many as 2 is a multiplicative comparison. So the equation is 4 equals 2 times 2. Okay, so the word more than means addition, and times as many as means multiplication. So more than means addition, times means multiplication. Okay, so here is another example. Draw a model and write an equation to solve. Miguel has 3 times as many rabbits as Sarah. Miguel has 6 rabbits. How many rabbits does Sarah have? Okay, so how many rabbits does Miguel have? Okay, Miguel has not 3 rabbits. Miguel had 3 times as many rabbits as Sarah. And he said again, Miguel has 6 rabbits. So Miguel has 6 rabbits. How many rabbits does Sarah have? Okay, we don't know what Sarah have. Okay, so this is unknown. We don't know how many rabbits does Sarah have. Okay, so the unknown part, we can use the letter N for it. So we can use N for Sarah's rabbits. Okay, so here let's model. Miguel had 3 times as many as Sarah. So 3 times the 3 squared is what Miguel has. And Sarah has unknown. We said it will be N. Okay, so Miguel will have 3 of this N. So N, N, and N. We know that Miguel has in total 6 rabbits. Okay, so what Miguel has is 6 rabbits, and it's 3 times as Sarah. We said that Sarah is N. It's like a space or dots. This is the missing number, the unknown number. So Miguel has 3 of this number. So let's use a model to write the equation and solve it. So 6 equals, this is what Miguel has, equals 3 times as many as Sarah. Sarah has N. We don't know it. So it's 3 times N. So N is like a space or dots. So 6 equals 3 times what? We know that 3 times 2 is 6. So 6 equals 3 times 2. So instead of N, it's 2. So N equals 2. So the value of N is 2. So what Sarah has is 2 rabbits. Okay. Okay, so try this. Write an equation or comparison sentence. Okay, so this is our goal from this lesson. It is to write an equation or write a comparison sentence. Okay, so at letter A, write an equation. Okay, let's translate this. It's word thing and we want it as equation. Only numbers, an equal sign, and a multiplication sign. Okay, so 21 is 7 times as many as 3. This is how I translate it. 21 is, the word is the same as the equal sign. And time as many as is the same as the multiplication sign. So it will be 21. Instead of is, it's the equal sign. 7 times as many as is the multiplication sign, then 3. So 21 equals 7 times 3. 21 is 7 times as many as 3. Okay, so the other way, in letter B, write a comparison sentence. So we have the equation and we need to write the comparison sentence. So 8 times 5 equals 40. Let's translate it back. So this is 8. Instead of the multiplication sign, we will write times as many as. Then let's continue. 5. And instead of equal sign, it's is. So it's 40. So 8 times as many as 5 is 40. So multiplication sign instead of it, times as many as, or times. Equal sign instead of it, the word is. Okay, share and show. There are 8 students in the art club. There are 3 times as many students in course. How many students are in course? Okay, so 8 students in the art club and 3 times in the course. So this is the art club and this is the course. So the art club has 8 students, so the course will have 3 8s. Okay, we don't know the number of students in the course, so it will be the unknown. We write it letter N. Okay, we need to find what is the N. The N is 8 and 8 and 8, so it's 3 times 8. So let's write the equation. N is 3 8s, or 3 times 8. So N equals 3 times 8 is 24. So the value of N is 24, and the value of N is the number of students in course. So there are 24 students in course. Okay, next page. Draw a model and write an equation. 6 times as many as 2 is 12. Okay, so 6 times as many as 2. So at the beginning we have 2. So we'll draw a square and inside it 2. We need 6 times of these 2. So we'll draw 6 of these 2 like this. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And these 6 times is 12. So all of these are 12. This is how we model it. Okay, so let's write the equation. As we said, we'll translate this sentence. Okay, so 6 times, I'll write 6 times as many as, multiplication sign, 2, I'll write the 2, is means equal 12. Okay, so times as many as is the multiplication sign, is means equal. Okay, so number 3, 20 is 4 times as many as 5. So first we'll draw the 5. And we need to draw 4 of these 5. So 4 5s will be like this. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4 5s. 5, 5, 5, 5. And these are 20. So these are 20. Okay, so let's write the equation. 20 is means equal 4 times as many as is multiply 5. So 20 equals 4 times 5. Okay, here write a comparison sentence. 18 equals 9 times 2. Okay, so 18, we said that equal means is 9. The multiplication sign is times as many as 2. Here 8 times 4 equals 32. So it's 8. The multiplication sign is times as many as 4 equals means is 32. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed this lesson and have a nice day and goodbye.